Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 1. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Here is our instruction file. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So we will discuss this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? So in today assignment we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 22, 23. It's quite big one. Oh my. 24, 25, 26. We have 26 questions in today's assignment, and 27 is last one is non-graded one. Okay, so we have 27 questions in today's assignment. Let me start today's assignment step by step. Today assignment name is Exp22 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. In start we will discuss project description and then we will solve assignment. Okay, you track your medical expenses each month. You developed a worksheet that contains dates, descriptions, amounts billed, and applicable comments. Your health insurance provider details the amounts not covered and how much was covered by insurance. You want to create formulas, format the worksheet to improve readability, and copy the worksheet to use as a template for next month. So that was simply description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Every time you have to read that one. Okay, so you can get idea what we have in project description. Okay, so let me start keyword graded part. So steps to perform, instructions. Here is question number 1. Okay, start Excel, download and open the file name XP Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical X. Sorry, that name is Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical Excel. Okay, grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of a file. So we have to open that file that we have downloaded from Pearson. We call that solution file. Okay, so question number 1 is done. It's not graded one, but it's quite important that we have to open our solution of file. Now we are moving toward question number 2. You notice that 3/21/2024 vision expenses on row 10 is duplicated for of expenses on row 8. Okay, so you will delete duplicated row. So we have to delete duplicate row. That was just simply instruction about question number 2, that what we have to do. Our main part of question number 2 is start from here, that select and delete row 10 that contain duplicate vision and data. So we have to delete row 10. V is row 10, there is row 10. Okay, select this one or right click and there is a delete option. Okay, so question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, we have earned 3 marks. Moving to our next question. You want to move 3 to 24 pharmacy expenses to be listed in chronological order. Okay, so select and cut a row 11. So first we have to select and cut, mean control X is shortcut for cut. Then that contains that insert cut cell on a row 5. Where is a row 5? Here is row 5. Insert cut cell. Here is an option. Okay, yeah. So question number 3 is done. In question, after solving question number 3, we have earned 4 marks. In question number 3, we have to select and cut a row 11 that contains 3 to 2024 pharmacy expenses. Then insert cut cell on a row 5. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You decide to insert a column for additional data. Okay, so insert a new column E, then type expenses hash in cell E3. Now we have to insert a new column E here. Select this one, right click, and this insert. Okay, so new column E will generated. Now what we have to do, we have to type this expenses hash in cell E3. Where is E3? Where is E3? We have to in that one. Control V is option. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have earned 4 marks. In question number 4, what we have done? We simply insert a new column E. Then we have to type expenses hash in cell E3. We have done question number 4 and we have earned 4 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 5. In new column, you want to create coding system consisting of year, month, and sequential numbering for expenses. Okay, so type this one in cell E4. Okay, now we have to type this one, copy this one in cell E4. Here is E4, we have to type that one, press enter. Then what we have to do, we have to use autofill to complete expenses number in the range E5 to E11. Now we have to fill the range, double click, so that will be filled. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5, after solving question number 5, we have earned 5 marks. Okay, in question number 5, what we have done, we simply type 2024-03-03001 in cell E4, then use autofill to complete the expenses number to the range E5 to E11. We have done and we have earned 5 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 6. After filling in expenses number, you will increase the column width to display the data. Okay, so now we have to change the width of column E to 12. First we have to select column E, or right click, here is column width, and there we write 12. Okay, simply press OK, so that will done. So question number 6 is done. It's not graded one, but it's mandatory that we have to do that one. So question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. The worksheet should have a title about the data. So type March 2024 medical expenses in cell E1, then merge and center. Okay, we will move step by step. Okay, first we have to type this line in E1. Copy this one, then come on E1 here. Here we have to paste that one, okay? And press enter. So this part is done. Now we are moving to our next part where we have to make that margin center the title over the range A1 to J1. Okay, we have to margin center A1 to J1. Here is A1 to J1. Select this one, then click margin center. So question number 7 is done. After solving question number 7, we just earn 6 marks from here. Okay, what we have done in question number 7, we have to type March 2024 medical expenses in cell E1, then we have to make that margin center the title over the range E1 to J1. We have done, and we have earned 6 marks. After solving question number 7, we get this result. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 7. The title would look more professional with some formatting. So we have to apply bold green font color. First we have to make that bold. First we have to select this one, then simply click on bold. Then we have to apply green font color. Where is font color? Here is font color. We have to apply green font color. Yes. Then apply 14-point font size title in cell E1. Now we have to apply 14-point font size. Done. So question number 8 is done. In question number 8, after solving question number 8, we have earned 3 marks. Okay. So in question number 8, we have to apply bold green font color, then 14-point font size to the title in cell E1. So question number 8 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 9. In question number 9, what we have to do, you decide to replace lab with laboratory to provide more descriptive expenses name. So find all occurrence of lab, then replace them with laboratory. After solving this one, we will earn 5 marks. Then in question number 10, the worksheet contains spelling error that need to be identified and corrected. So for that we have to check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all spelling error. So then we will earn 5 marks. Same way we will solve other parts up to 26 step by step. So in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. In start we just discussed project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2, in which we have to select and delete the row 10 that contain duplicate record. Then we move toward question number 3 and where we have to select and cut row 11 that contains 322 2024 pharmacy expenses, then insert that cut cell on row 5. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to insert a new column A and then type expenses in cell E3. Then we move toward question number 5 where we have to type this one in cell E4, then autofill to the range E5 to E11. Same way we will solve question number, we have solved question number 6. Then in question number 7 we just type March 2024 medical expenses in cell E4, then margin center the title over the range E1 to J1. Then we have moved to question number 8 where we have to apply bold green font color and 14-point font size to the title in cell E4. Same way we have solved question number 9 and 10. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. Okay, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one, and you will get 100% marks. That's my promise, that's my guarantee. Okay, you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook, project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. In next video we will discuss next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.